So you are new to Herbalife and you are confused about how to make a Herbalife Formula 1 shake, how to make a shake for weight loss, and you have no idea where to begin. So I'm going to show you guys 3 simple ways you can make your Herbalife Formula 1 shake, especially if you're new to Herbalife, if you're a beginner. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is Jean here from Authentic Energy. Okay, so I have 3 simple options to show you guys here today. And definitely, if you guys are still confused halfway watching this video, feel free to write your question in the comment below. Okay, so option 1. You have your Formula 1 shake mix, right? And you have milk, preferably a non-fat, a skim milk, non-fat milk. So you can simply shake your 2 scoops of your Formula 1 shake mix with 240 ml non-fat milk. Just shake it in your shaker cup, or you can use a blender and blend them together. Just the powder and the milk together. It's that simple, right? So if you're like, I don't want to fuss, I just want something super duper simple and quick, just do 2 scoops of Formula 1 shake mix with 240, or you can do 300 ml. But you know, here our stats are based on, our numbers are based on the numbers that we have here. So 240 ml non-fat milk with your Formula 1 shake together, it gives you 17 grams of protein and only 170 calories. Okay, so this is your option 1, nice and simple. Okay, now you're like, I can do a bit more than just shaking the powder and the milk. Then you can actually try our option 2. Okay, our option 2 is basically same 2 heaping scoops of Formula 1 shake mix with, now you're gonna add in 2 scoops of protein drink mix. Okay, so protein drink mix here is actually acting, well, here is actually to enhance the nutrients in your Formula 1 shake, right? If you don't have milk or some kind of like plant-based milk, if you're just using water. So my formula here is for you to add just water to your shake mix, but you have to add in the 2 scoops of protein drink mix. Okay, so you see 2 scoops of Formula 1 shake, 2 scoops of protein drink mix, plus 240 ml of water. Okay, so if you do exactly this formula, this gives you 24 grams of protein, which is pretty amazing, you know, for one meal replacement shake. And also, this whole shake is only 200 calories. Okay, so you can see how it's low in calories, but high in nutrients. Right, so I have made a lot of videos talking about, you know, how do you mix Formula 1 shakes with protein drink, different types of Herbalife protein. You can check out my video from before. And also, you know, if you want to know the main differences between Formula 1 shake and protein drink mix, because they look very similar, right? So a lot of you guys are very curious about the key differences between the 2 shakes. You can also check out my video that I made last week, right? So if you don't have some kind of like milk, if you just want to use water, it's better if you mix your protein drink mix with your Formula 1 shake, because the protein drink mix is actually acting, you know, kind of like, you know, milk when you don't have milk, but it provides a lot more nutrients than milk for your body. Okay, so which is actually very essential for weight loss. Now, option number 3, if you're someone that's like, I can make a shake very quick, you know, I don't mind adding multiple ingredients, right? So this is where you can add on 1 more ingredient. Okay, so same as before, we have 2 heaping scoops of Formula 1 shake. And here you can also try, so instead of protein drink mix, and I understand in a lot of countries, you guys don't have protein drink mix that we have in Europe or, you know, North America. You have your personalized protein powder, right? The PPP. So you can do 2 tablespoons of the PPP, okay, with your Formula 1 shake, and plus your 240 ml water, okay, if you are using water, and plus a cup of chopped fruit. Okay, so this is you know, the chopped fruit is the extra ingredient you can add in here. And when you mix so many things together, okay, we're just really talking about 3 ingredients here, right? It's actually better if you use a blender, right? Especially with the fruit, you do want the fruit to be well blended rather than eating the chunks in your shaker, right? So if you're only doing liquid and the powder, you can actually use a, you know, shaker to mix things up. It's nice and easy. But if you're dealing with fruits, right, I personally suggest you guys to use a blender. Right, so this is option number 3, and it's still actually very quick. You can actually make this in less than a minute, right? Just chuck your 2 scoops of Formula 1, 2 tablespoons of PPP, plus water, plus fruit, and just blend it all together. And this gives you 200 calories only and 19 grams of protein. Okay, so these are the 3 options that you guys can go and try. Feel free to take a screenshot of this chart that I have made, right? I hope you guys enjoy my visual. I love visual aids. So, if you're a visual learner, and I hope this video and my charts, my graphics are helpful for you guys. Gives you an overview to see which option, which Herbalife shake making option is probably most suitable for you. But do let me know in the comment if you're watching up to this point right now. Let me know in the comment which one of these options is, most ideal for you, or which one of these is, most suitable for your lifestyle. Because I know some of you guys may prefer just a quick shaker cup for your shake, and then you drink it in your car on your way to work, right? And some of you may have a bit more time so that you can experiment with different ingredients at home. You use a blender, right? So I want to know, just put in the comment option 1, option 2, or option 3. For me, a lot of times I'm actually doing option 2 right now. It's summer, it's hot. So, I don't really want to have a very thick shake. I just want something quick and easy. So a lot of times I'm actually doing option 2. But except, a lot of times I actually replace the water with soy milk. Right, so a lot of you guys have been asking about almond milk. You can definitely do almond milk. You can definitely mix almond milk with Formula 1 shake, right? The only thing that I have to say about almond milk is that it's very low. It gives you like very, very little like protein, although it is a good, low calorie plant-based milk option. Okay, so just be aware that almond milk doesn't give you that much protein. Okay, so take a screenshot of this, share this video, with your friends and family or your community, if, this can be very helpful for you and your family and community, to help them, like enhance their weight loss journey, to help them, better their Herbalife journey, right? Yeah, and feel free to reach out to me if you guys have any more questions about, how to make Herbalife shakes and, different sort of ways and different ways you can experiment, with, the shake, because there's so many ingredients you can use, and there's so many ways that you can actually make your shake, so many recipes you can try as well, right? So I aim to show different recipes and experiment with different recipes here live this summer with you guys. So I'm here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, especially if you guys want to hang out with me live here, you can catch me live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 p.m. this summer. And today's a special. You get to see this special presentation from me. And if you guys are interested to work with me directly, you can find out links in the description below. And if you guys want to, join my program and also have me as your Herbalife coach, you can also, just join my programs from the links in the description below, or you can just reach out to me directly and find out how to get started. Okay, and before you go, let me know if you have already filled out a wellness evaluation form. Okay, it's very quick. If you want to know what is the most ideal Herbalife package for your body needs and your goal, you can fill out a quick wellness evaluation form just right below. All right, just click on the link, fill it out, and you'll hear from me within 24 or 48 hours maximum. Okay, so thank you so much for being here, guys, and I really appreciate you, and I'll catch you guys next time. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye bye, take care.